Hey YouTube, today quick video on how to repair your 10 pole elastic. Mine I've broken on the last fishing trip, so I need to replace them. Well, just for one 10 pole. Just bought some new elastic out of Amazon. You need to find both ends, so with these rubber caps you remove it, and as you can see the elastic was there. You take the other one, that's it. Now you want to start to fish the brand new elastic where there's one end. Okay. So since I know that this is one end, I'm gonna put the cap. I'm gonna make a couple of nuts. Another one should be good. So that way it won't come out. As you can see, cut the extra, put the cap back on. Now I know that's the last hand. I'll put it to the side. Now there's a middle part here, so I know that it's not another middle part, it's this one that goes here. So I'm gonna fish through this end. So there's two of them already done. Now the third one, same thing, metal part, non-metal part. Gonna fish through that one. Okay. So 3 done. Now the last one. I know this one had the end cap, so I'm gonna fish this one that's gonna go in the middle part. Okay. Okay, so now the 4-piece temple is all together and fished with the elastic. Now you need to tighten the elastic. You need to stretch it before making any knot. So you need to find what's going to be good when you're going to unmount it, and you know. So when loose, I'm going to go about stretch about 1/8 inch, and I'm going to tie a knot right there. Okay, and I'm going to try it if it's enough. Yeah, it is doing the job. Can unmount them pretty easily, just the way it should. So now I can, sorry for this, I can now make more nut and say that I'm done with this. So now you see the nut is big enough that it's not gonna go into the tent pole. So now I can cut the excess. Put the end caps, and voila, you're done. There you go. Easy fix, anybody can do it. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, maybe you can share this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.